Hello everyone, my name is Murad Anil Shilsar. Today I am here present to ISA Activity 2 Heat Mass Transfer Problem Statement Design and Analysis of Compact and Heat Exchanger System for Domestic Water Heating. Diagram for counter flow. THI equals to 75 degree and TCO equals to 52 degree. Then THE equals to 35 or 30 degree. TCI equals to 22 degree. My roll number is 38. So calculate AB. Design of considered AB equals to 38. Calculate the inner pipe diameter. Formula, then answer 16 mm. Outer pipe diameter 28 mm. Tube length equals to 1.8 mm. Cold fluid inlet 24 degrees Celsius. Heat fluid flow equals to 0.050 kg per second. Cold fluid flow 0.055 kg per second. HTC hot fluids, HTC hot 19 watt per meter square Kelvin. Then cold HTC cold 460 watt per meter square Kelvin. Thermal performance analysis, heat capacity, hot fluid calculated 150 watt per Kelvin. Then cold fluid calculate 230.23 watt per Kelvin. Then heat load and exiting temperature. Required heat transfer to targeting water outlet equals 38 degrees Celsius and calculate the answer 3223.2 watt. Hot fluid calculated 53.51 degrees Celsius. Then LMTD and area requirement. Long mean temperature differences. Delta T1 equals to 37. Delta T2 equals to 29.51 and delta Tm equals to 33.12 degrees Celsius. Overall heat transfer coefficient equals to calculate 304.4 watt per meter square Kelvin. Required versus available area. Required area is 0.3 to 320 and 320 meters square and available area 0.0905 meters square. Then justification. Why the select material is optional? Copper is selected for the inner tube because its thermal conductivity is roughly 8 to 10 times higher than that the stainless steel or carbon steel, which is vital for a compact heat exchanger. To keep the length, the magnetable mild steel is chosen for the outer pipe because it provides the necessary pressure rating and durability for the shell side fluid at a fraction of the cost of more exotic alloys. Second question, what is limitation your design faces? The design is primarily area limited while the length is relativity generous at 1.8 m. The available surface area 0.09 meter square is still significantly below the theoretical area is 0.32 meter square. Then what changes you would make the double the budget? The with the rupees 3000 budget, I would transition fluid simple double pipe to shell and tube configuration with a small transfer area. Costing summary. Inner copper tube equals to 720 and outer MS pipe 450. Then total cost is rupees is 1170.